Hi, I am Arnel D. Tenebro. I would like to discuss how to create a folder. First, click the right click of the mouse and click the new and find the folder. Then right click then we have a new folder. Second, to how to delete a folder and restore it. First, right click the folder and find the delete and click yes. Then go to the recycle bin and double click and click the folder you have been delete and right click and restore. Thank you. And again, my name is Arnold Ditnabro, IE1 MA. Thank you.